Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I am going to talk about how to detaching from the body on the basis of Lord Shiva's sutras. So let's get into how to get detachment from the body and identify who we are, our relation with the super soul Lord Shiva. The actual relation with Lord Shiva we can only understand by the Shiva Sutras. Chittam mantra is in the mind. It means it's all about the mantra of our mind. We have to pronounce this entire mantra in our mind. We need to still the mind in order to self-realize or unite the God. Our mind is stable. The steady mind is required. Still mind is required in order to get united with a God, with the Shiva, Lord Shiva, with the Super Soul, the Supreme Personality Godhead, Lord Krishna. This is something what all important text of yoga state. Vijnana Bhairava Tantraha. We experience the bliss of the God within ourselves when the mind is still and free from of all thoughts. Patanjali Yoga Sutra states in the second and third sutras, when the mind is still, we reside in our natural state. Mantra are the special sound that have the ability to awaken us to a higher reality. Some of the important mantras were heard by the ancient sages when they were deep in the meditation. प्रयत्नाः साधकास. Preserving effort lead to the fulfillment. Preserving effort lead toward the fulfillment. Whatever sadhana or spiritual practices we choose, we must preserve in it. It could be a particular meditation or mantras or some other practices. Whatever it may be, we should be determined to continue with it. Too often we let the problem of our daily life interrupt our practice. We get caught up in the drama of our lives and lose focus. When you become overly concerned with the outer reality, it becomes more difficult to still the mind. Master know that life resolves itself in the process of the life itself. Problem get resolved in the due course. And every day new problem arise and old problem get resolved. Every day new problem arise and old problem get resolved. It is important to have a trust in a God and faith in the process of life and the process of the life. We should surrender to divine. God makes the world and is perfectly capable of looking after us. When we still the mind and live in awareness, we live one moment at a time. When we encounter a problem, we know intuitively the first step to be taken to resolve the problem. Our soul brings us a far greater wisdom than our mind. Intuitionally, we will get something like that. And when we live outside our mind, situations are no longer problem, and something is just what it is. It's our mind that colors is negatively, passes judgment, and create the fears. Intentionally, actually, I don't how to pronounce, but let it be. Vidya Sarira Satah Mantra Syama. Knowledge of the reality of the body is a secret of the mantra. Knowledge of the body, who we are. If we come to know who we are and about us, about our body, then it's a secret of all the mantras. Garve Chitta Vikaho Visishta Vidya Sampannaha. In the interior of the active mind is found inferior knowledge of the dream world. Our active mind is found in the inferior knowledge of the dream world. Vidya Samuthane Sabhavike Kechari Sivasta. Here on the rising of the knowledge inherent in oneself, one reaches the highest state of consciousness, which is the state of the Lord Shiva. Once someone has reached the highest level of consciousness, that is called the state of Lord Shiva. Guru Payaha. Guru is the means. Matra Chakraha Sambodha. Awakening the energy is the chakra. Chakra. Sariram Haviha. The body is a sacrifice. Janam Anam. Knowledge is a food or is to be consumed. Our knowledge is a food and we all have to consume this particular food. Vidya Samhare Tadutvaha Sampanna Darshanam. Sampanna Darshanam. On the destruction of this knowledge, one awakened from the experiencing the dream state. On the destruction of this knowledge, one awakens from the experiencing of the dream state. The three sutras need to be read together. These sutras have puzzled people over the centuries, but when we read together, their meanings becomes clear. One does not physically sacrifice the body. One destroys the idea that I am the body, and this is the knowledge that caused the bondage. And this false knowledge, I am the body, and is to be destroyed. This knowledge is to be consumed like a food, so it is no longer exist. We all have to get the particular knowledge in order to make ourselves free from the all kind of material bondage. We just have to live up. We just have to give up the ideas like our body is everything and I am the body and it will be destroyed, and this knowledge is to be consumed like a food, so it is no longer exist, and our identification with our body cause our bondage, and these three sutras are asking us to destroy this belief. And once we remove identification with the name and form, then all that is left is awareness, and we then awaken out of the dream state. Asva Ashtavakraha Gita makes a remarkable statement in its first few verses that if we can set the body aside, give up the believing we are the body, and the rest in awareness, we will be free at once. And Nisarga Datta Maharaj used to say that liberation is never of the person; it is always from the person. Liberation is never of the person, it is always from the person, and it is when we stop identification with the name and the form that we become liberated. It's only identifying with the name and form, at that time we become liberated. Vijnana Bhairava Tantra gives a quite a few meditation for removing identification with the body. There is a one where you visualize a fire state starting from the right toe of the body and rising upward and destroy the body. When the body is destroyed, there is only awareness remain. When the body is destroyed, there is awareness is remain. And there are other where you imagine the body is like an empty cell with nothing inside. All these meditations raised our level of awareness by chanting our beliefs and removing the attachment with the body, removing all kind of attachment from the body. This is the process of getting a detachment from the body. I hope you all can understand. For having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.